Room 23 is devoted to the last 20 years of the career of Perugino, from the early years of the 16th century to his death in 1523. It was a phase in which the artist worked intensively, aided by his extremely efficient workshop, but his work often proved to be repetitive and lacking in the new iconographic inventions that had marked the previous period. Of the various works in this room, it is worth examining the lunette with fresco decoration, painted between 1501 and 1502 for an external chapel of the Franciscans monastery of Monteripido in Perugia. The fresco was detached in 1856 for reasons related to preservation and transferred to canvas, unfortunately causing damage to the paint surface. The scene depicts the adoration of the shepherds. The central part of the story focuses on the infant Jesus laid down humbly on the ground between Saint Joseph and the Virgin Mary, who are in a state of adoration. Behind him, in the background, are the ox and the donkey on the right and three kneeling shepherds in the center. On either side of the lunette are two life-size drawings of the two figures of the shepherds in the center, important evidence of the artistic procedures used in the workshop. The two drawings are not preparatory cartoons because they display no sign of being transferred onto the surface of the plaster, which required either tracing using a metal-tipped instrument or by dusting, perforating the outlines and then spreading the figure with ash, which, as it passed through the minute holes, reproduced the drawing. There were probably models made available to the workshop full of details and luminous effects designed to be reproduced through the overlay of a grid. The same iconographic scheme of this painting was used by Perugino, with few variation, in two other frescoes dating to almost the same period, the Nativity in the Collegio del Cambio in Perugia and the Adoration of the Shepherds in the Church of San Francesco in Montefalco. This means of reusing compositions and drawings in different contexts with small variation was typical of the method of work of Perugino's workshop during this period, designed to ensure the completion of numerous commissions in as short a time as possible.